There's a place where people are experts at pulling, bending, breaking, and burning. Why? Because if a cable might fail, we want it to happen here, in the cable lab.
For some, cable is just cable. To us, it's not.
Testing cables and quality and compliance is at the very heart of what we do, and that means putting cables through ever-increasing tests to make sure that they are compliant and do meet the performance expectations.
Cables are expected to perform under a range of conditions, from being under constant mechanical stress to experiencing extreme temperatures. Some face exposure to UV radiation or lie in waterlogged ducts. That's why the experts in our world-class lab work to identify substandard and non-compliant cable.
Over time, ozone will degrade cables, so cables will become brittle. That means that the sheeting material will crack and expose the insulated cores and potentially lead to fatal consequences.
Medium voltage cables are often buried in long runs underground, making any maintenance costly and time-consuming. It's why we test them so rigorously in our specialist MV facility.
We're going to apply a voltage between the conductor and the copper screen and see if there's any breakdown between the layers. We can assure a whole drum has been tested, not just a representative sample.
If a cable does fail, we quarantine the cable, and that's great because that means we've stopped it from going out into the real world.
It's not just about laboratory testing. We go above and beyond across the board for our customers. So it's about having industry specialists that understand the challenges that a project's going to face on site.
We provide the service from the selection, the design, to the assurance that comes with a product that is often used in very critical applications.
Of course, the laboratories are a huge investment and an ongoing investment at that. But we want to be able to give our customers the confidence that the cables meet all of the compliance and regulatory and practical applications that they demand. The laboratory is ever more important and at the centre of what we do. It will be something that we continue to invest in because it is what sets us apart and what makes a difference to our customers.
Eland Cables, a tailored service on a global scale.